next problem is based on circular plane. So a circular plate of negligible thickness and 46 mm diameter appears as an ellipse in top view, having its major axis 46 mm long and minor axis 28 mm long. Draw its front view when the major axis of the ellipse makes an angle 60 degree to VP. So here circular plane, first of all we have to put the circular plane on HP. So top view circle of 46 mm diameter. Divide the circle into n number of equal parts. Here we are dividing into 8 parts. Give A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H points. Take the projection on vertical plane to obtain A dash B dash, and front view is lying top view true shape. Now second stage is when the surface is inclined to HP such a way that the top view become ellipse. Here we don't know the angle of the surface with horizontal plane, but we know that when we incline the surface with HP, the top view become ellipse. Okay. So which diameter will be reduced when we incline the surface? Obviously A, because when we incline the surface with HP, the CG diameter remain parallel to HP, but A diameter will be inclined to HP. Now draw the projection from top view. Now on the horizontal line AE, we have to take one line AE which is 28 mm long. Okay. Now draw the vertical from A and E. Front view A dash. What will be the front view of E? The length AE. Radius A dash center. Draw R. A dash. Insert remaining points. Draw vertical from all points. You will get another points B, C, D, E, F also. Now trace curve passing from all the points. This is ellipse. Now in this ellipse, A is shown a minor axis and GC will be major axis. So here we want GC line, means the major axis must be 60 degree with VP. At presently major axis is perpendicular to VP. So in step number 5 or stage 3, top view, first of all you have to draw 160-degree line. On that line put CG line, find out midpoint and draw perpendicular minor axis. And by box method or arc method you can find remaining points and draw ellipse. Draw vertical projection line, horizontal line, and intersection A dash B dash C dash D dash up to J dash and H dash. Trace the curve passing from all the points. So this is the front view and top view of the circular plane of diameter 46 when the top view is ellipse. Next problem regarding elliptical plane. So an elliptical plane with major axis 70 mm and minor axis 50 mm is inclined to HP such that the top view of the plane is a circle. Draw the dimensions of the plane when the major axis is inclined 30 degree to VP. Find inclination of the plane with HP. Use the concentric circle method to draw the top view of the plane in the initial stage. So here our object is elliptical plane and it looks circular in top view. So first of all draw XY line. First stage of the ellipse when plane is resting on HP perpendicular to VP. So you have to draw one major axis AB 70 mm, O is midpoint, and from midpoint draw vertical line GC, which is 50 mm minor axis. So once you know the major and minor axis, you can use the concentric circle method to draw the ellipse. So in concentric circle method, you have to draw one circle by taking O center OE radius and O center OC radius. Divide the circle into n number of equal parts. So here are 4 parts. So here from the point from inner circle draw horizontal line and from this point vertical line, you will get the point of ellipse. Trace all the points and draw curve which is A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Front view of this plane is horizontal line. Okay. Now when the surface is inclined to HB such that top view becomes circle. So when we incline the surface like this, the major axis will be inclined and minor axis remain parallel to HB. So when the top view of major axis become 50 mm, the top view will be circle. So draw first top view and then draw the front view line. So extend this A line. On that projection line you have to take A 50 mm, draw midpoint O and draw circle because top view is circle of diameter 50 mm. Front view is line, the length of that line is we know A dash A dash. So by projecting A dash on XY and E dash by taking radius A dash E dash, center A dash, draw arc, insert all points. Now when we measure the angle between XY and this front view, we will get 44 degree. This is our answer. Now insert all remaining points by taking vertical and horizontal projection lines. Now here in our data, we want incline major axis 30 degree with VP. Now this is already inclined major axis 44 degree with HP, and when we incline the major axis 30 degree with VP, the top view of major axis will be inclined at greater than 30 degree, which is beta angle. So to find beta angle in step 5, draw one horizontal line parallel to X, draw 30 degree line. A even, which is true length of major axis 70 mm. Now from A center, draw arc on this line which is loci of E. The length of this line A is equal to top view small a 50 mm. And when we extend this line, you will get the angle beta. So you have to copy paste this circle here by taking midpoint of A, draw vertical line perpendicular to A. Now draw circles, the circle of diameter 50 mm. But what is different between these two figures? Here, the top view A means top view of major axis is parallel to VP, means parallel to XY. And in this figure, the top view of major axis A is beta angle with vertical plane. Here, the angle beta is always greater than 30 degree. What is front view? By taking vertical projection lines and horizontal from front view, intersection points A dash B dash C dash up to H dash, and trace the curve. By joining all the points, you will get front view. Thank you very much.